I set them fucking things up on top of that.
All right, so I'm going to replace my fuel gauge because my old one is toast. I wonder if we fried it when we were switching out the fuel tank. But there's two bolts up here that you can't really see too well. Right there and right there. They are, let's see, what is this? 9/32 is the size for the bolts that I have. I'm gonna hurry up and take them out. I want to see if I can do this while I got this camera going. Just needed to break that free. Come on. Keep going. There we go. Starting to come out now. Was way easier at the junkyard. Just saying. Switching back to the ratchet set. Let's see if we can get this going a little faster. There we go. At the junkyard there wasn't a steering wheel in the way.
You got a fuel column in this?
Yeah, but it's broke.
Oh. Why don't you fix it?
Because I'm too lazy. As I'm doing this video. There we go. Come on. You can come off. There we go. Put it there. And now this should just hopefully pop right out. Maybe. Whoop.
Would you break the pin?
No. I don't know what came out. I'm checking to make sure everything comes out. Okay. Hunky dory. I wonder if this bottom part has to come out first. Because this is connected to that. Well, let's see something real quick. Let's pop this and we can look at that. Hey, guess what? It does.
It's got screws in it.
Of course it does. So now I gotta take these off and pop this out, and then everything will be all fine and dory. Okay. Maybe I don't even need to do this. Yeah, I gotta take off both sides. Okay. All right, I'm back. So I was able to get those off. The covers just pop off, but I got some screws I gotta take off. They're 9/32. There's one here, this one for this cover, and then I have another one here and another one here for it. So I'm gonna hurry up and do that. Jeez. Not freaking left-handed. apparently I'm not right-handed either. Alright. As you can see, it's got one right here and right here to take off. These really aren't on too tight, just kind of snug. Oh, pain in the butt holding the camera and doing this. Let's just take that off. Come on out. Jeez, this is ridiculous. Where did that other one go? It's right there. Here you can see how far that one is in. So let's unwind it. There we go. Put this back on. There we go. Probably just fast forward through this part on the video.
Huh?
I said this is taking me forever.
Need to buy some power tools.
Huh?
Need to buy some power tools.
Probably. Yeah.
Like a drill or something. Doop, doop, doop.
Yeah. That'd be. I think I'll do that instead of for the spider gears, because I'll tell my wife they're $100, but I'll just go buy me some new power tools instead. Get the spider gears from the junkyard. Shouldn't have said that on this video. Said I shouldn't have said that on this video in case my wife watches it.
I'll watch it for sure now.
Alright. There we go. That pops off. Alright. That's out. That's out. I don't know if those.
I've got some more pins in it.
Probably. Nope. It just needs some wiggle. Maybe it might underneath here. I'll take a look. Alright. Then this comes off. What it was this little piece that was still attached that was holding it in. Now I got to take this clear plastic cover off, which looks to be a lot smaller, as you can see right here. There's quite a few of these. I'm gonna take this off. All right. So now this little plastic cover comes off.
I've got a little blue on it.
Just gonna play with it a little. Oh, hey, guess what? Helps if I get all of the bolts off. All right. Now that I have all the bolts off.
During Christmas time.
Nice. That comes off. Now that little black piece comes off too. And great news. Super easy, hopefully. Last time I said that it wasn't so easy, but this just pops out without trying to get it without that popping. Oh, what did I do with that little pry bar? Here, let's see if we can do it with this. There we are. That comes out. Maybe. Ta-da. Super easy. Look at that. Now, replace it with the good one. All I gotta do, make sure those pins are lined up. Ta-da.